This is a 1995 Tamiya TA02 Ford F-150 RC truck, and it's in very rough shape. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to convert it to the Toyota one. They have a Toyota version, which I like better, and I'm going to try to bring this thing back into a good usable shape, and I'm going to work on the body next. But for starters, as you can see, this thing is very rough. Has a broken motor mount. It's very dirty. It's had a lot of use. It's mostly a chassis and body and unusable electronics. So for starters, I'm going to start getting these wheels cleaned up and repainted. They're pretty scuffed and badly damaged. And then I'll go through piece by piece. I'm going to do the shocks next after I get the wheels cleaned up and repainted, and strip it from the electronics and just start going through it. So this should be a pretty short video once I'm edited it all together, but for starters, I will be stripping it down and working on it a little bit at a time. The body will be a separate thing because that is badly scuffed. It isn't broken, which is cool. So I'm gonna do some polishing and maybe some touching up of paint where needed, and I can use this body, but since it's original, I'm going to switch over and purchase the aftermarket replacement Toyota body, and that will be the one that I end up using if I drive it or display it, but I'll keep that original Ford body with it. So that's pretty much it. This is the starting point. These are hard to find and they're super cool, and not really a performance RC vehicle, but kind of a semi-scale or pretty scale vehicle. And we'll see how that goes. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove the shocks. They're going to need cleaned up, oil added, rebuilt probably. Let's get that done. Ooh-wee, this thing is dirty. Okay, shocks are removed. I'll let those soak. And while the shocks soak, I will remove this junk electronics. Maybe I'll leave this steering servo in just in case that does work. That'd be kind of cool. And the steering servo for now, but I'll keep it. Possibly use it again. Okay, cool. Okay, now it's time to rebuild these shocks, or at least clean them up, and oh gosh, these are bad. Get them working a little better. They're not that good. So I'll do the first one here. Not very good. But they're not leaking and they are holding oil well, and that's a good thing. The seals seem good. So I'm going to refill. I'm not blocking that. Refill the shock with oil. All the way up to the top. Now what you do is you work the piston up and down slowly to get any air bubbles that were trapped underneath it. Get all the air worked out. And then what I usually do is I stand them up and I let them sit for an hour, just letting air rise out that might be in there, and then come back and put it back together. Okay, it's been about 45 minutes. No air in there. Make sure to top off the road. Just get it just topped off. And put it back together. All down. Snug everything up. I'm not going to put these shock collars on yet until I put the truck back together and see how the ride height is and suspension works. Oh yeah, that shock feels much better. Feels good, the way it's supposed to. And I'll finish and do the same to the rest. Okay, now that the shocks are done, I'm going to give a light coat of aluminum spray paint to the wheels. They're in pretty rough shape. I'll be using some Krylon metallic aluminum. I hope that matches really well. I'll give it a shot. And here they are, finished in silver. Now, although the spray paint did say aluminum, they came out much more medium silver, not very aluminum. I used a chrome paint pen to do the lug nuts. I might leave them this way for now and eventually repaint them with a bright aluminum that matches the factory original color better. I'll have to order something like that because I just didn't have it. The original tires are badly worn. The lettering is worn off and they're pretty hard and stiff. They're 30 years old, so, you know, what do you expect? However, I was able to find these. So I got a brand new set of the original Tamiya tires, and I am going to mount them right now. And there you go. They are mounted, and I think they look pretty rad. Definitely going to leave them like this for now. They look great. They feel good. I didn't glue them, so I can remove them and repaint them. They seem to stay really tight and good. I think it's going to be good enough for bashing around a little bit. I'm obviously not going to be rough on it, and it's not going to be brushless or anything, just original style. And on that note, I did receive something super cool. Now, this is the body that it came with. And this is the body that I'm going to polish up and try to fix as much as possible and make it look good. However, it's not the body I'm going to display it with. This is from TBG. It is the Toyota Prerunner body. And another company online, I was able to track down the Toyota factory stickers. So I'll make a video when I get to the bodies. For now, I've got the shocks, I've got the wheels and tires done, and next is going to be cleaning the chassis, cleaning it all up, and putting in some electronics. The bodies will be the last video. So that's it for now. Definitely try to check out the next video. I'm going to post this all up till now as one video. I'll do a second video on the bodies. And another video on the cleaning and everything else. So it should be 3 videos at least, maybe 4, till I'm all done. So yeah, follow along, give me some suggestions, give me some tips, give me some ideas, what you guys think are cool. Tell me about yours if you have any classic Tamiya cars or anything like that, and subscribe and follow, and maybe I'll be able to make some more cool videos. Thanks a lot.